Hi, M5935. Please introduce yourself.
It was my pleasure to introduce myself. Hello, everyone. My name is April Makinay. I am 40 years old. I was born on April 23, 1985. I am the eldest among seven siblings. I am married for 18 years and we have three children, ages 18, 10, and 8 years old. I am college level. I took up the course of computer programming
And your religion.
and I am a Christian.
Okay, tell me about your experience as a helper.
As a helper, my main duties are to always keep the house clean, cooking some Arabic food, washing and ironing their clothes, and taking good care of their children.
Okay, since you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn baby, my question is it is okay to you to take care of a newborn?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you have an idea how to prepare a milk for a newborn baby, right?
Yes, sir, I have.
Because you have sons and
Yes.
daughter, right? Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
First, I will check his diaper if it is full. I will check his tummy if he's hungry. I will also check his temperature if he has fever. And I
Eh,
will also sing and play for him. Maybe he wants to sleep. And if he don't stop crying, I will call her parents.
Okay, and what you will told to the parents of your of the baby?
I will tell them that the baby is not stopping crying and I already did my best, but he
Uh,
don't stop.
okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because it is the safest country to work with, and it offers a high salary,
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
maybe 2 years or more, or as long as my employer wants me to work with them.
Okay, so it is okay to you to extended your contract.
Yes, sir.
Okay, do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, I don't have, but I am willing to learn by watching in YouTube or reading some cooking book.
Okay, and also you could ask your madam and sir if you got an employer, you could ask them if they could teach you how to prepare, right?
Yes, sir.
Or also help them how to prepare Chinese food, right?
Yes.
Okay. If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share jobs as a helper.
Yes, sir.
How about sharing room with
Yes,
kids?
sir.
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or in a holiday set up by your employer.
Yes, sir.
How about if your employer have a pets on their house? It is okay to you to take care of them.
Yes, sir.
How about elderly? It is okay to you to take care.
Yes, sir.
If one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn Cantonese.
Yes, sir.
How about color your hair into black?
Yes, sir.
It is okay with you.
Yes, it's
Okay,
okay.
my last question is, what will be your message for your dearest employer?
To my future employers, please hire me because I am hardworking, diligent in my work, and I will take good care of your family, especially your children, like mine. And thank you very much, and God bless us all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Miss April. Thank you.